Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to class 6 science unit number 2 living organism lecture number 5. Dear students, today's our topic is photosynthesis in plants. The green plants are only living things which can make their own food. The plants make their food by a process called photosynthesis. For the process of photosynthesis, plants need carbon dioxide, water and sunlight and chlorophyll. Plants absorb carbon dioxide from the air through leaves and water and minerals from the soil through roots. Sunlight is absorbed from the sun through the leaves, and chlorophyll is a substance present in plant cells which help to trap sun energy. These all things combine together through the process of photosynthesis. As a result of photosynthesis, a simple sugar called glucose is formed. This glucose used by the plants as food, and the left part of glucose is changed into insoluble substances and stored in different parts such as stem, leaves, roots, seed, fruits for later use. फोटोसिंथेसिस वो प्रोसेस है जिसमें प्लांट अपना फूड बनाते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वाटर, क्लोरोफिल एंड सनलाइट. प्लांट्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड अपने एनवायरनमेंट से लेते हैं, वाटर ज़मीन से लेते हैं और क्लोरोफिल उनके लीव्स में प्रेजेंट होता है, उसको यूज़ करके और सनलाइट सन से लेकर इन सब चीज़ों को कंबाइन करके अपनी फूड प्रिपेयर करते हैं जो कि ग्लूकोज की फॉर्म में होती है. ग्लूकोज को वो एज अ फूड यूज़ कर लेते हैं एंड द लेफ्ट पार्ट इज स्टोर्ड इनटू their body parts like stem, roots or leaves. Benefits of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis have many benefits for us. Through the process of photosynthesis, oxygen gas is also made, which is released in the atmosphere and which can be used by living things for the survival of life. And this oxygen reacts with the food to form energy in the process of combustion, which energy is needed for doing different works. There are huge amount of carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere due to industries, which is harmful for living things. During photosynthesis, plants absorb carbon dioxide and produce oxygen, which cleans our environment. Third benefit is plants store extra food in their bodies, which makes their body parts. As they use sun energy for making food, so huge amount of energy is stored in plants, which indirectly used by other living things, which helps them to get energy. Plants store energy in their body parts. When they decay, these parts converts into petroleum gas and oil, etc. This can use for running aeroplanes, cars, home heating system, etc., which is the form of energy that was absorbed by the plants millions of years ago. Our next topic is respiratory system. Our body needs continual supply of energy from digested food. This is oxygen gas which helps release energy from food. Oxygen is taken into the body from the air and it reacts with the food to get energy. So we can say that respiration is a process by which food is oxidized in the body cells to produce energy. Our respiratory system is made up of organs that helps to move oxygen into the body and carbon dioxide out of the body. Human respiratory system is made up of nose, windpipe or trachea, bronchi, bronchioles and air sacs or alveoli. Nose. Air enters our body through nose. Entering the air is called inhaling. In the nose there are hairs and mucus which traps the dust particles and bacteria before the air enters the lungs. Windpipe, then air passes into throat, a pipe called pharynx, and then into larynx, and it is upper part of the windpipes. Then it passes into windpipe or trachea. Bronchi. The windpipe or trachea is divided into two branches. Each one is called a bronchus. These bronchi carry air into the lungs. In each lungs, the bronchus continues to branch into smaller and smaller tubes called bronchioles. Each bronchioles end in grape-like clusters of tiny, thin-walled balloons called alveoli. Very small blood capillaries are surrounded the alveoli. Oxygen enters the blood and carbon dioxide of the blood leaves blood in the alveoli. The oxygen reacts with the digestive food present into the blood and it produces energy and carbon dioxide. Energy is used by the body for performing functions and carbon dioxide is carried out to the lungs from where it is breathed out or exhaled. Dear student, our lecture is end. Allah Hafiz, take care.